Hello guys, I'm recording. Hello. So we're playing Toilet Tower Defense, Toilet City Easy Mode. Wait, I'm stuck. I'm stuck in the ball. Nah, there we go. Place a Cupid. Yeah, Cupid. I'm sick, you guys. That's why I sound like this. I was stuck in this beach ball, big beach ball. Bro, why did I bring hyper if I could bring a future large? That easy. Easy mode, cause I don't know. Easy mode. Can we just put all cupids? An army of cupids? I guess yeah, cause we don't need stronger units. Alright, I'm gonna talk Spanish for a little bit. Sorry for my English audience watching, so yeah. Hola, yeah. Si eres mi audiencia de español, you might want to get out of this video if you're my Spanish audience. Yeah. Cupid Squad. Acquired. Hee-hee-hee-haw, 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 hee-hee-hee-haw. I have Hyper, I have a Leprechaun. Ooh. Let's clap the cupids. Hee 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 hee. By the way, it's 8:35 for me and March. What is it? It's not even March, bro. It's not even March. It's July 30. I don't know. For a leprechaun, it's getting kind of boring here. Why did I put this here? If I sound like that, if I do it like this, I'm sick, you guys. I need to breathe air. Breathe air. Yeah. How to dance. So, all you wanna do is put this, E, dance. No. There we go. We're dancing. Low and lower. Whoa. This is taking so long. Bro, this is taking so long. Hyper. Hyper. I don't have enough money. Let's delete this Cupid. Cupid. I didn't borrow green laser. Those are expensive. I don't care if they're expensive because I needed a Cupid, you guys. I really need it. Oh, now we can place our hyper upgrade time speaker man. Finally, it's about time that I can place a hyper. I placed them bad. It's not a good spot over. Come on. This wave is so bad. Bro, this is what I don't like easy mode. I picked easy mode just because my camera setup isn't that long. Not that long, you guys. But what the Sigma? Let's clap all these army armor. I don't know if you're gonna type this same time and put the rock emoji. I don't care. I'm gonna type skeletons emojis in the chat. We piercing clappy, piercing clappy, piercing clappy, piercing clappy, piercing clappy, piercing clappy, What's you wanna guys wanna know what's my favorite Legendary. Definitely the leprechaun, bro. Good range. Goody. Bro, this hyper's not even attacking still. Oh boy, just hit my leg. Oh. 4 more waves. Yay. 4 more waves. 4 more waves. By the way, I'm gonna show where all the beach balls are in my next video. Only the trading plaza and only the trading plaza once. Yay! Yeah, no. Just kidding, I'm not gonna show them. There'll be too much time. There'll be like too much time. Alright. Hurry up. See, oh, these skippers are doing nothing. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? Oh, oh, finally, the last wave. One last auto skip, then we get the last wave. Have you heard that weird sound? That's the wind, that's the wind, that's the wind, that's the wind. Hurry up, this is Emerald Signal. Yep. Hyper showcase. Level 1, it has, what? Level 1, it has 22 point, I don't know. I don't even know math because I don't want to go to school. By the way, I don't even go to school. I even stay home out school. I'm homeschooled, you guys. I'm homeschooled. You guys know that I'm homeschooled. Finally, the last wave. Finally, the ball. After you finally showed up. Let's go summon some goodies. No, I'm just kidding. Let's end the video right here. Alright. See ya. Peace.